Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Now let's hop into this week's video. I'll be using a few of these craft sticks, my foam brush, and also my black acrylic paint to cover both sides of my craft sticks. Covering both sides is really not necessary. This is just something I wanted to do. Next, I have 9 of these 4x5-inch square mirrors, and I'm using my ruler and my silver Sharpie to trace one line down the center of each mirror, and I'm also removing all the stickers. I'm placing all my mirrors in my desired shape. I'll also be using a few of these small square mirror tiles that I purchased from Amazon. The purpose of me drawing the lines down the mirrors was so that I know exactly where to place my smaller mirror tiles. I'm using these craft sticks to help keep my mirrors together, and then I'm going to add extra glue for more stability. After I applied all the glue, I let my project dry for about 24 hours. This is the inspiration photo for this project, and it turned out gorgeous. It was quick and easy, and it can also be displayed in a different way. Comment your thoughts below. On to project number 2. I'm just laying some wax paper down so I don't get glue everywhere. I got these mirrors from Dollar Tree a while back, and I'm reusing these along with a few square mirrors and also circle mirrors. I'm combining all my mirrors together with my Fix All adhesive glue and also my hot glue, and I don't have a particular pattern. I'm just placing the mirrors down as I go, and don't worry about the prints. I will clean all that up later. The best part about creating your own home decor is that you get to decide and you get to bring your visions to life. Comment below and let me know what y'all think. I thought my project was beautiful as is, but for those of you who like to glam it up a little bit, you can also use these disco towels that are from Dollar Tree as well. Depending on where you live and what Dollar Tree location you go to, these disco towels may or may not be available. I'm loving both mirror styles, but comment down below and let me know which was your favorite. So for this next project, I'm just using an old foam board piece and I'm going to cut it in half. I'm using another small foam piece and I'm cutting that in half, so I have 2 big pieces and 2 small pieces. And now I'm basically gluing them all together to make a box. I know my pieces are a little bit uneven and also choppy looking, but that's okay because I will be covering all that up. Just trust the process. I'm using this little piece to completely cover the bottom. If you are going to recreate this, then I suggest you pair the hot glue with a stronger adhesive and also doubling your foam pieces to make it more sturdy. I'm using my absolute favorite bling wrap and already put the markings so I know exactly where to place them. This bling wrap is self-adhesive, but I'm adding a little glue to make it last longer. This is the front side, and I went on ahead and completed the sides and also the bottom. And as y'all can see, there is some gaps, but don't worry about that. I will fill that in a little later on in the video. I haven't used these square mirror tiles in a while, which I purchased these from Efavormart.com a few years back. But if you wanted to keep it all Dollar Tree, you can simply use these disco towels. I'm using my beaded necklaces to cover those open spaces, and then I'm going to clean all my mirror tiles off, and then I'm going to add some flowers, and then I will be right back to show y'all the final look. This wallflower face turned out absolutely stunning. You can't even tell that underneath here is all chopped and screwed, but let me know what y'all think down in the comments. This can also be used as a table base. Comment below and let me know if you would use it as a wall base or a table base. For this last and final project, I'm using 3 of the 5x5 inch squares and also 2 of the 4x5 inch squares, and then 4 of the 4x5 inch octagon mirrors. I ran out of my craft sticks that I got from Dollar Tree, so I'll be using these ones that I purchased from Michael's a while back, and I just cut them in half so I can have more pieces. I'm using a combination of this Fix-All adhesive glue and also hot glue to combine all my mirrors together. And at first I didn't realize that I was gluing the craft sticks down on the wrong side, but that's okay because I will fix it later. I'm adding extra glue to secure all my mirrors. Then I'm going to let this dry for about 24 hours. The glue did seep through the mirrors, but I'm going to wait for this to dry before I clean it up since it's easier that way. I'm letting this Windex sit for a few minutes, and now I'm scraping it off with my X-Acto knife. I'm doing this part very lightly, and as y'all can see, I was not able to remove all the glue, but that's okay because I will cover all that up later. And now I'm just adding my remaining 3 mirrors, and then I'm going to clean it off and then decorate. I'm using the jewel border stickers to add a touch of glam to my project. Well, this turned out gorgeous, but tell me what y'all think down in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video.